Fortnite just added an EMINEM boss, and with that, his minigun. Now this thing is sick, it shoots rap god lyrics. Actually seeing how fast like the lyrics go and stuff is quite crazy. Anyway, I got the dub, like always, so enjoy. I didn't quite make it to the grotto, but I grabbed a gun, killed this guy who was landing and recognized him from lobby, so tried to give him a chance, but no, he pickaxed me, so I started blasting him. Either way, grabbed loot, made my way to the grotto. No, I didn't want to cut too much of the game, so I just sped it up like 10 times, but just quickly made my way up the mountain and down into the grotto. Now, I don't know why this guy was still trying to shoot EMINEM, but yeah, blasted him.
Why be a king when you can be a god?
You know, just the normal spill, looted, got the bolt, you know, same old, same old. I spot a rift, so I go to that. I'm trying to fill up my gas tank, which I hate. This guy just starts shooting at me, so I had to just one tap him. Easy done. Got in the car, waited for EMINEM, and started pulling this new car glitch. Honestly crazy. No, I cut it here, but I actually saw this guy from earlier, so yeah, I didn't just fall on him. No, I attempt to try to snipe this guy, but with no luck. And this ends up just being a car chase with another car, as you see. And yeah, this went on for a while until... No, I pull this crazy maneuver and flip this guy over to force him out of his car. Easy, and with that I got Snoop Dogg's drum gun. You know, I did that crit walk real quick. Now after I fly my car like a fucking plane, I hit this one guy and notice there's 3 people. So I kill one, boom, snipe the other, and easily with EMINEM's minigun, a fucking summer lumber deer. No, I know this guy here, and I attempt to follow him, but it ends up me just trying to chase this guy for ages until... No, after all that disrespect, stealing my kill, hitting EMINEM, I had to show this fucker who was boss. After easily killing that guy, I fly my way over the slurpy swamp and miss. Now I hit this guy, he tried to snipe back, but he ends up just getting away, so I split it up. Grabbed loot, you know, drove around for a bit. Now it's only top 5 right now, and I spot this guy out of nowhere. Now after 2 clean sniper hits, I go in for the kill. He sorely misses a shot, and I easily dominate him with EMINEM's minigun. After killing and looting that guy, I find this rift, end up getting on top of the rig. Not surprisingly, this was the guy who got away.